Hi everyone, we're going to continue our discussion about the perimeter that we started yesterday. So today we're going to look at some of the applications of perimeter. So let's go through a few examples here. So the first one here, we have a circle, and remember the formula to calculate the circumference of the circle is pi times d, which is 3.14 multiplied by the diameter, which in this case is 12. So if you do that, you're going to get the answer 37.68 centimeters. So the second shape we have here is a rectangle, and to find the perimeter there, all you have to do is just add up the length and the width. So in this case, it's 19.3 plus 8.1 plus 19.3 plus 8.1, okay? Because the two sides are the same and these two sides are the same, and you're going to get 54.8 centimeters. For question C, we have a hexagon here, so this is a six-sided shape, and because each side is the same length, all we have to do is take the side of one length, which is 11.4, multiply by 6, because there are six sides, and you get 68.4 centimeters. For question 2, it says you plan to put a border around your rectangular dining room, and the length is 3.8 meters and the width is 3.1 meters. So let's draw a rectangle first. Okay, so we have 3.8 here, 3.1, and we're looking to find how long the border will be. So the border will be the distance around the outside of this table. Okay, so that's essentially asking us to find the perimeter again. So it would be 3.1 plus 3.8 plus 3.1 plus 3.8, and if you add them up, you're going to get 13.8 meters. For question 3, it says you want to put a brick border around your triangular garden. So we have a triangle here, so let's draw that. Okay, so here's a triangle, and they tell us the dimensions of the triangle: 4.9 meters, 5.2 meters, and 6 meters. So the first question asks to find the length of the border, so that's to find the perimeter. So it will be 6 plus 5.2 plus 4.9. If you do that, you're going to get 16.1 meters. Part B of the question asks us to find the cost if the brick is $5.25 per meter. Well, we know the perimeter is 16.1 meters, so to find out the total cost, all we have to do is take the cost per meter, which is $5.25, multiply that by our perimeter, which was 16.1, and if you do that, you're going to get the answer 84.53, so $84.53. Question 4 here asks us to calculate the perimeter of a regular hexagon with the length of 4.3 centimeters. So remember, hexagon is a six-sided shape, so it looks like this. Okay, and the length is 4.3 centimeters. So each side is 4.3 centimeters. To find the perimeter, all we have to do, remember, is just take the length of one side and multiply by 6, and you're going to get 25.8 centimeters. Okay. So a couple more questions to go. It says you are putting a border around your rectangular garden, have 45 meters to use. So let's draw a rectangular garden here. And they also tell us the dimensions of this garden is 12.2 meters by 7.9 meters. Okay, those are the length and width. And they tell you that you have 45 meters to use, and they want to find out how much that's left over. Okay, so let's find the perimeter first. The perimeter in this case is 12.2 plus 7.9 plus 12.2 plus 7.9. Right? So you add up all the length and width, and you're going to get the perimeter. Okay, if you do that, you're going to get the answer 40.2 meters. But since we started with 45 meters of fencing, so to find out how much you have left, you have to take the number 45 and subtract the perimeter, which is how much fencing we used, and you're going to get the answer 4.8 meters. So that's how much that's left over. Okay. Question 6 here asks how much will it cost to border a square garden. Okay, so remember this is a square, and square here has all sides are the same. Okay, they tell you that the length of this square is 4.3 meters. So every side is 4.3 meters. And they want you to find out how much it will cost if each meter costs $9.97. Okay, so just like before, we're going to find the perimeter first, 4.3. We're going to multiply by 4 because there are 4 sides, and the answer there is 17.2 meters. To find the actual cost, you take 9.97, that's the cost per meter. Remember, we have to multiply by the perimeter, which is 17.2, and then you're going to get the answer $171.48. Okay, that's how much it costs to put the fence around the border of your garden. Okay, here's the last question. The last question deals with a circular pool with a diameter of 5.8 meters. Now, you do need to remember how to calculate the circumference of a circle. Remember, that's pi multiplied by the diameter. So what we have here, I'm going to draw a picture here to help you understand this a little bit better. So the diameter is this length here. That's equal to 5.8 meters. So to find the circumference of the pool, we'll just use the formula. Remember, pi is 3.14 multiplied by the diameter, which is 5.8. And if you do that, you're going to get the answer 18.2 meters. The next question asks us to convert this number into centimeters. So remember, there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So in order to find out what is the circumference in centimeters, remember we have to go up the stairs, okay, and we have to do 18.2 meters and multiply by 100, and you're going to get 1,820 centimeters. Okay, and the last question asks us how many tiles will you need to go around the pool as a border if each tile is 30 centimeters long. So what they're saying is they're trying to cover this border here with little tiles. I'm going to draw one there like that. And each of these is 38 centimeters. Okay? And the question is how many of these does it need to go around to cover the whole circumference? So to do that, we have to take our circumference, which was 1820, so 1,820 centimeters. Divide that by the length of each tile, which is 38. And if you do that, you're going to get 47.9. So that means approximately you're going to need about 48 tiles. Okay. So please have a look at these questions and take the notes that's required before you go on to do your homework.